This channel gained 90K plus subscribers with just 40 videos. Not only that, another channel earned 65K plus subscribers with only 19 videos. You can find many channels that reach thousands, even hundreds of thousands of subscribers with just a few uploads. No fancy scripts, no fancy editing. They use simple AI to get ideas, AI to write scripts, and AI for voiceovers. You can create a faceless AI YouTube channel like this too. From finding script ideas to voiceovers, AI will handle everything with a few simple steps. The best part? These channels are in the finance niche, which has a very high RPM. So let's start the video right away. First, find a topic. I use ChatGPT, but you can use Claude, Perplexity, or any AI tool. Go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'll share all the prompts I use on my Telegram channel, link in the bio and description. This prompt is for topic finding. After a short time, it will give us 10 evergreen topics. ChatGPT will return topics, and not just that. It will also tell you why people will click each topic. Provide hooks, thumbnail ideas, and a viral score. Pick whichever topic you like. If none of the 10 work, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 more. Right now, I like this topic. Why the middle class keeps getting poorer even if they earn more. I'll give that same for this topic. This script prompt does not create a generic script. It produces a human-sounding script. Prompt to ChatGPT and tell it to write a script. The best part, it also gives 3 hooks, and the most effective hook will be used in the script. Read the script once, and you'll see how well AI followed every instruction from the prompt. Now that we have the script, we need image generation prompts to create images for the entire script. Copy your full script into this image prompt template. You can change the style to fit your brand, but I like the current style, so I keep it. ChatGPT might split a long script into 3 parts for image prompts. That's normal. If you give the whole script at once, the AI won't produce the best results. We'll start with the first part. You'll see ChatGPT generate image prompts for all 3 parts. Next, we'll create animation prompts for places in the script that need video animation. Wherever animation is needed, ChatGPT provides a video animation prompt. I won't generate every image here because the video would get too long. Instead, I'll show simple steps so you can follow along. To generate images, I use Google Flow. You can use any image generator. Open Google Flow, sign in with your Gmail, then create a new project. You'll see a black workspace with tools on the side. Click the tools and find Whisk. Then click the yellow Images section. Paste the style prompt ChatGPT generated for your video, and it will create images in that style. You can also generate a character style if you want. I generate a character style here. Now start image generation. Paste the first image prompt and wait. Flow will return 2 images at a time. Repeat for the other scenes. The tool takes some time, but the image quality is good. I won't generate every image to keep this demo short. Download the images you need. Next, we'll make the video using the Image to Video tool in Google Flow or any other image to video AI. Use the scene images and the animation prompts from ChatGPT. For the third scene, I generate a quick image to video conversion. Wait for it to finish, then download the clip. The last step is generating voice. Use 11 Labs, Minimax, or any voice generator. I use Google Studio's voice generator. Paste your script, wait, then download the audio. I'll use the voice named Ikerd here. Finally, edit everything together. Import the clips and images into your editor, CapCut in my case. Add simple animations, transitions, and keyframes to make a clean, professional video. Export and upload to YouTube, then start earning. All prompts are available on my Telegram channel, link in the bio and description.